Here we are, guys. This is the big day. After spending weeks in negotiations for the sale of the house, days and nights to look for a new home, documents, endless bureaucracy. After spending days and days packing boxes of all sizes, this will be the weekend when I leave my childhood home for good. Even if everything was done for a better future, part of me, my nostalgic part, can only shed a little tear for the place that has seen the joys and sorrows of every day of my life. Change is life. Let's go with the flow and let ourselves be surprised by what will happen tomorrow. I can't wait to face new challenges, win them, lose them, get back to fighting. I'll keep you up to date. I love you guys. Cheers and happy crafting.